Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking Morphe. I've only used maybe a few of their products, and I had to tell you about this because I just kind of stumbled upon it because I was trying to get free shipping and this was recommended. So instead of paying like $7 in shipping, I was like, okay, well, let's give it a whirl. And yeah, so let's talk about it. This is Morphe's Continuous Setting Mist. It comes in 2.8 ounces and it is $16. It says, say hello to your new fave setting spray and goodbye to melting, caking, or fading. Morphe's Continuous Air-Powered Setting Mist delivers even and controlled application. The microfine mist sets liquid or powder makeup with a radiant finish. You'll be obsessed. How to use. Hold the bottle 8 to 10 inches away from face, close eyes, and apply the mist all over your face. Now, it doesn't say if this product is vegan or anything of that nature, but OMG. Guys, this stuff is bomb. OMG. I use this and it's... So let me shake it up and let me show you. It has this nice airy smell, so it does have a fragrance in it. It's soft though, and it kind of just mists right over your face. And it is, I already put some on today, but when I first tried this, I was like, oh, and you feel like you don't put, like a lot didn't go on, but it did. And I just kept spraying because I'm like, oh, this is so nice. I like, the mist is, you know how, so I use All Nighter Urban Decay. And this spray is more of a, you see, that kind of, it's not a mist, whereas this is a mist. And the Urban Decay is a great setting spray. I really like it, but this has kind of replaced it a bit just because of how evenly it goes on, and I don't get that just spray of splotches kind of, and it works. It just works. And yeah, I had to tell you guys about it because I was surprised, and when I love a product, I let you guys know. So yeah, it's a really good setting spray, and I really like it. There's not much else to say about it outside the fact that, look at that. The scent is lovely too. It's just a nice mist instead of blotches of spray on your face, and it works. I put too much powder on, I can use this just like I used to use this, and I still use this, but I haven't used it since I got this because the mist is amazing. I think everybody needs to put theirs in this bottle for it to be able to spray on your face as evenly as this does. Like, yes, just yes. So I hope that helped you guys to figure out if it's something you want to purchase or not. I have combination skin, so ooh. So I'm not, of course, I'm not sure how it would react to oily or, well, right now, I guess I'm a lot more oilier because I'm pregnant. But yeah, I really love it, and I've been walking in the heat, and it's great. I will see you guys next time, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. Yeah, this is everything. I love this. Everything.